83 hero, definitely.
कल हो ना हो.
You give me 2 crores more, I'll just take it. Give it to me. Give it to me, give it to me. Give me that 2 crores more that you've just given it. Give me more. We got a very good opening. We got a 6.85 opening, which is the second biggest opening for debut films in this country ever. A big hand needs to be given to this gentleman who's sitting. Please stand up, Dipesh, so that people can see you. So we made the film, 3 of us made the film, but he's the one who basically took it out and has put it out over there, taken it everywhere, driven them mad for the last 35-40 days, taking them to the far corners of this country where they have never dreamt of going. This girl is from South Bombay, she's gone to Patna. Or she's going to Patna, so yeah, he's been bitten by 4,000 girls in Chandigarh or in Delhi, so it's all thanks to them. Yeah, but it feels great, it really feels great.
They were a bit nervous, sir. So वो भी help किया होगा कि just बात करी.
यार तूने अगर 100 दिन अगर तूने शूट किया हो और जिस तरह से शूट किया हो और तेरे ये नाजुक कंधे पे अगर सलमान खान का विजन is this thing, you will go to you will be walking to every तीर्थ यात्रा in this country. So yeah, I'm glad that they still believe in a guiding force that somewhere or the other is responsible for them sitting over here today.
सूरज, बहुत सारे changes आ गए रहेंगे आपके day to day life में. People have changed their vision looking at you. You're superhero now. Can you say that too?
I don't look at myself that way. Maybe it's people's perception towards me. I feel the same. I feel like I'm in school, in college. I'm still learning. I'm as new as all you guys are. And I want to learn even more now. This is just the beginning.
सूरज एंड आतिया, मैं आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगी सलमान के अलावा बॉलीवुड में और किसी से सबसे बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट आप दोनों को क्या मिला है फिल्म के लिए? किसी एक एक्टर से जो सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला हो?
सलीम अंकल, सलमान सर's father.
क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला?
That
तो सलीम साहब ने कहा कि अगर पिक्चर में एक्शन नहीं होता तो पिक्चर का नाम हीरोइन होना चाहिए.
एंड सूरज
With me, पिक्चर का नाम हीरोइन होना. Sunil sir, and Sunil sir has actually been one of the biggest supports in my life. मुझे कभी भी कुछ confusion होती है, if it's about action or acting or clothes or something, I've always been calling Sunil sir, and he's been really supportive, and he keeps telling me where I go, where I'm right and where I'm wrong. So उन्होंने मेरे को compliment यही दिया जो सलमान सर ने दिया मुझे कि when I fight like a man, and I should look like a man on screen. That's what he said.
सूरज, आतिया, अब नेक्स्ट क्या, किस तरह की फिल्में करना चाहते हैं? लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ गई है आप लोगों से. किस तरह की फिल्में करना चाहेंगे आप? और कितनी फिल्में साइन की है?
ड्रीम डायरेक्टर अभी बोल लेता फटाफट. सुभाष गाय सर, राजू रानी सर, एंड कबीर खान सर.
आतिया?
Lots of dream directors. I definitely want to work with Nikhil sir again. So Nikhil sir, next movie? But what was your question? Dream directors.
Dream directors.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
तो सूरज, किस तरह का रोल पसंद करेंगे? अब एक एक्शन देख लिया हमने आपका, एक लव स्टोरी देख ली, अब किस तरह का कुछ क्या नया मिलने वाला?
मुझे एक प्योर रोमांटिक फिल्म करना है जिसमें एक्शन ना हो, जिसमें डांस ठीक है पर बॉडी दिखाना ना हो. I want to do a pure performance oriented film. 2 actresses, Alia Bhatt or Deepika Padukone.
I think it's wonderful that you have so many people who want to learn about filmmaking and who want to learn about this industry. I feel kind of weird sitting on the stage because I feel just like y'all. I feel like a student. I feel like I'm just learning. So it's really surreal to be sitting here among such accomplished people. But I think this entire festival is amazing because you meet so many people, you interact with so many people, you learn about your craft. So yeah.
मंदिर नहीं, आज सैटरडे नाइट है, आज पार्टी करेंगे।
Okay, thank you.
भाई जब मैं स्टार्ट से जब हम लोग रिहर्सल्स करते थे तब मैं बोलता था बाप रे क्या है ये यार, इतना टायरिंग है। जब हम लोग सेट पे थे मैं बोला इसको बोलते बॉलीवुड, इसको एक्टिंग बोलते, इसको स्टारडम बोलते। उसके बाद फिल्म खत्म होने के बाद जब प्रमोशन में आया मैं बोला इसको प्रमोशन बोलते। तो भाई इट्स अ नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस and but it is a fun and an amazing journey and I want to be here and I want to experience this for my entire life. I do, yeah.
तो सुभाष सर, अच्छा सॉरी आदित्य, यू कंप्लीट नो? तो सुभाष सर आपके एक्सपेक्टेशन पे खरे उतरे सारे, बिकॉज यू आर द एम्परर ऑफ हिंदू हार्ट्स एट टाइम्स.
You see, every decade language changes, cinema changes. And this film has been made after 30 years. The newly born kids, they were all born in front of me, you see. So when I saw the film, I really liked the film. The equation of the story and the direction and the performance of both the kids were really very impressive. But what I have to say and accepted one thing, कि पहले मैं अपने पापा को गुड मॉर्निंग पापा बोलता था, अभी मैं GM पापा बोलता हूँ. उतना फर्क तो होगा.
Okay, thank you very much guys for this press conference. I think we can wrap it now. Thank you.